This is the main road of Kepping. This is the Margao road, and this is the Kepping road. And this is the road leading to the beautiful temple. Let's begin the journey and explore. Hi and hello, welcome to my channel Vlog with Albert. Temple Chandreshwar Bhootnath, one of Goa's oldest temple and a historical temple located in the southern part of Goa. Chandrapur, then today's Chandor, which was once Goa's capital, is about 10 kilometers distance from this temple. Little ahead, after crossing the road, about a minute's ride, you will see the Shankar Bhairav Prasthan temple. Upon reaching there, I found the temple doors closed. From this temple, the main hilltop journey begins. Beautiful drive leading to the temple, cool and shady drive, and see the curvy road. Seems scary, very lonely way all through. Just before approaching the main temple, one can visit the second part of Bhootnath temple. Location. This ancient temple, the Chandreshwar or Chandranath temple, is located via Kepping Road, around 13 kilometers from Margao via SH8. Right at the main road, one can see the entrance of Chandreshwar temple and the road leading to the top of the hill. The access to the temple is easy and comfortable, hence one can drive or ride up to the temple without any hindrance, as the road is simply perfect. The area is well designated with proper parking areas. Around 60 to 70 steps to climb up there. Here one is advised to leave their shoes or slippers. The foundation stone for the beautification of this temple was laid by Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Nilesh Cabral in the year 2016. Beautiful view of the temple. And here you can see the comfortably seated monkeys. I was trying to move slowly towards them. I thought as I was reaching near to them, they would run away quickly. But no, see how close I came towards them. the huge banyan tree. And that is the flag which one can see from the Cape main road. Monkeys again, they are very friendly. As one steps inside the temple, can find a woman selling the necessary puja materials. The main temple is made of stones. Inside the mandapa, there is a palki line. Palki procession is taken out on every Monday evenings. The main Shiva Linga is kept covered, and next to it, murtis of Mahalakshmi, Navadurga, Vishnu, and Ganapati are kept. Main celebrations: Hanuman Jayanti, Dashera, and Mahashivratri are the main festivals celebrated. Mahashivratri means the great night, which normally falls around in February or in March. Every Monday evenings, a palanquin procession of the deity is taken out, offering food to the devotees. The Bhoja king ruled South Goa. It is believed by scholars that Sri Chandranath was worshipped by the Bhoja rulers of South Goa during the early centuries of Common Era. The sanctum of this temple is a beautiful rock-cut cave which houses the Shiva Linga. And as per the popular belief, moon rays fall directly on the linga on every full moon day. Locally, this ancient temple, which is located on relatively high gradient around 350 meters top, is called the Parvat Temple or Chandreshwar Parvat. Parvat means mountain in Konkani. The second part. Just before approaching the main temple, one can visit the second part of Bhootnath temple. The area is well designated with proper parking areas. Two small temples and a holy pond are also present there. The two temples are dedicated to Kal Bhairav and Siddha Bhairav. From here, the climbing journey to reach the main Chandreshwar Bhootnath temple actually begins. One can climb the granite stone kind steps, which are around 400 plus steps leading up to the temple. Or the other alternative option is to drive via the road where a proper 4 and 2-wheeler parking slots are designated. Bhairav temple, shape of linga. Midway, about 150 steps climbing, I came across another Bhairav temple which is kept open with just a canopy on top. There is a building, or I would say a resting place of the temple for the devotees to stay and take their meals in case one wishes to do so. There is also a recently constructed wedding hall which one can see here in the video. Memorable visit. The curvy, cool and shady forestry road made my drive simply most enjoyable and memorable one. One very special thing I observed is whilst coming back, I drove on my bike on neutral, that is without starting the bike, and that too on pillion rider for about 10 minutes drive down to the village road, and one can imagine the slope. The link of my blog I am giving below. Do visit for more. Let's explore Goa. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until I explore another place, bye bye and take care.